Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, both Lumber Depot Limited and the Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution Fund were listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange last week. Lumber Depot made its junior market debut on Friday, December 13th at its offer price of $1.20. The stock closed as high as $2.39 on the 17th, representing a 99% return for investors who had bought shares through the IPO. Sagicor Select saw a much smaller price movement. On Wednesday the 18th, its first day of trading, Sagicor Select closed at $1.08, an 8% increase relative to its IPO price. On the money market, last week's 30-day CD offer by the BOJ was for $12.9 billion. The offer was oversubscribed by just over $8 billion. The average yield for successful bids was 0.97%. Also, the final auction of Treasury bills for the year took place last week with the 91-day weighted average Treasury bill yield falling 29 basis points to 1.32%, while the 182-day weighted average Treasury bill yield increased 2 basis points to 1.60%. On the bond market, after months of tense negotiation, China indicated that they agree with the verbiage of the Phase 1 trade deal on Friday the 12th. Following the announcement, traders pile into stocks, pushing the US market to new highs, while demand for bonds abated, sending Treasury yields higher. This display of investor confidence was short-lived, as investors were cognizant of the fact that a deal has not yet been signed and are therefore being cautious. On Tuesday, December 17th, data released indicated a 3.2% increase in US housing starts month over month. The good news led to only a 1 basis point increase in the yield of the US 10-year Treasury to 1.88%. On the foreign exchange market, as the year draws to a close, end-user demand for US dollars has fallen off significantly. However, there has been an uptick in broker demand related to capital market activities. The BOJ's weighted average selling rate closed on December 17th at $134.74, representing a $6.25 or 4.86% depreciation year to date. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.